Experiment time. Before we start, make sure you get permission from your parents, a big brother or sister, or even a cousin or older friend your parents say is okay to supervise you. Safety first is a must in Gothie world. We're gonna count down from 5 and then get started. 5, 4, 3, 2. So before we start, you're also going to want to make sure you have the following supplies. You're going to need 2 rubber gloves or 2 gloves in general, some cornstarch, some water, and a few cups, as well as a towel or mat just to lay on whatever surface you're going to use so you can keep clean. Today, we're making a non-Newtonian fluid. So that's just really a big word for something that acts like a solid when you apply pressure quickly, but it flows like a liquid when you pour it. So at first, it looks like a gooey, fun experiment, but there is a lot of science happening right underneath your fingers. So materials like this teach us how substances respond to forces. Scientists and engineers study this to create things like energy-absorbing soles for shoes, protective gear, and materials that keep vehicles safe during crashes. So something as simple as cornstarch and water can actually inspire real-life inventions and careers, one of which is Dr. Norman Wagner, a chemical engineer from the University of Delaware. He studied a special kind of non-Newtonian fluid called a shear thickening fluid that stays soft and flexible until it's hit with a sudden force and then hardens instantly. This discovery actually led to liquid body armor and fabrics that bend when you move but protect you on impact. So people like soldiers, law enforcement officers, and even athletes in high impact sports would benefit very, very much from this science. And these things are a perfect reminder that even small experiments can lead to world-changing ideas. Something that you try at home, a kitchen science project, might inspire a real life-saving invention. Dr. Wagner once said, science is about curiosity, about asking what if, and seeing where it takes you. Every time you explore, test, and ask questions because you're practicing the same thing that leads to amazing discoveries. So remember, science is everywhere, even in your kitchen. Non-Newtonian fluids teach us about forces, motion, and real-world materials that protect lives. So, keep experimenting, stay curious, and your next experiment just might start a new innovation.